Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to LG K50S. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Click I accept. Select Confirm, tap on Continue and choose Allow. Now you want to tap on Receive on LG and Send on an Android. Normally you need to tap on all of those dots and click Send to send all of your files and data. But it will take a lot of time, so I will only click on this one photo, choose Send and click Got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. If you want to scan QR code, you can click on the scanning icon on LG, choose Allow and point at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but if you wanna check it out for sure, you can always go into your files. Should be somewhere over here, or File Manager. Choose Allow and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!